Someone fetch me my apron. I feel good. I feel good.
Surf, turf, and bird, baby. That's seafood, meat, and poultry. Super colossal shrimp. Big ass shrimp. George Foremaned chicken. Toasted garlic, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, on that asparagus. Italian sausage and peppers. Listen to that sizzle. Onions, peppers. Woo! Made a tower with the chicken dirty rice and the asparagus with the colossal shrimp on top. That means super colossal shrimp over asparagus sauteed in toasted garlic and lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil. And grilled chicken breast with a cognac and ground peppercorn demi-glaze. Yeah. We ain't playing. Let's go.